ulo ko.
Okay, wish list. Kahanap ako for sa house. Pwedeng i-regalo. Yes, ano yung sa'yo?
Cassette.
Cassette din? Bakit kayo same-same cassette? Ano kaya yun? Sis!
Wala, hindi
Ang tagal. Hala, ang tagal. Baba na.
Baba ka muna.
Good girl! Ang galing! Okay, bubuksan ko na to.
We still want to hire you.
Mama at gagalit ko.
It's just to be caught here. Yeah, practice ears. And this fur is softer and more vibrant with higher contrast atoms, and it makes an excellent gift for any you.
Hey, how are you?
Newly married? You're still a newlywed?
Again, I love him. She is obsessed with always playing the holiday radio station. Yeah.
She's doing like it's no. This is just before you get there. Share it with her on Spotify, and then have her play that. Okay, she learns a new thing.
She doesn't. I actually don't mind it. I actually really love like a song very much.
That's newer because it's when you're putting stuff on the radio.
All these names. I just know the song, but it's really
Frank
cool.
Sinatra sounds amazing. Like I like it as atmospheric.
But in the car, do you expect to be in the car a lot? Yes. There's no public transportation. Got it. Got it.
Oh, okay, just me. I'm sorry.
Hi! Hala! Hala, Mrs. 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 Ay, nga ito mga klaro. Okay. Wow! Ano ginagawa mo dyan sa laptop? Nanonood ng... Oh my God, ang baho ng... Hininga mo yun, Nora? Nag-aayos ng grocery. Wow. Wow! Who is that? Tapos, ito yung para sa Christmas party ni Mama. Magbabalot. Tutulong kami magbalot ng parang mga paper bags para sa mga gifts. Let's go. Happy home. Oh. Gorgeous. This lumpia makes me wanna vogue. Oh! Oh, she's so happy. Aww. Ba't sila ba yun? Ang cute nila actually. Nakatapos ako ng isa. Titigil na ako. Tatulungan ko na lang sa tomorrow sa lumpia. Kasi ang hirap.
Hindi?
Sisi na natutulog sa cage. Mrs. Mrs? Oh. Dahan-dahan.
Wait lang.
Oh! It hit her.
Tapang ng kape nila. Wow.
You like it, right?
Ako, bubuksan ko na to. Let's blur that. Oh, shit. Shit, walang bag. Oopsie. Wala, nakatali ba? Nakatali ata silang tatlo. Yung bag niya, nakakainis. Oh, may bag yung yoga mat. Pink card. Hindi ko alam kung kailan ko to i-balot. Basta bago umuwi sa dress. Shit, walang bola. Ah, meron. Okay. Okay. Nice. Tatlong ganito. Oh, never mind. Ani. Yahoo! Pwede na maglaro kami.
No way! So what the hell is going on with you?
Drawing ako ng... Oops. Unbordered. Para sa vlog.
They must be dating, but they didn't know.
Oo, paano yun? Ako
And
ng
now
pwede.
they won't start. They have
Saan
a
matapos ka
podcast
na?
show they're called Cardboard.
Wala yun. Matakaw. So, ito na rin lang natin mga nagpasari na ako ng tamali. Ito natin mga regalo kay Daddy. Gloves na pati naman yung apron at saka headlamp na lang. Oh. Oh, basa. Why is it wet? Okay. Oh, ito yung gloves. Hindi ko talaga makakot yung kamay na dito. Oh my gosh, sana nakakasya sa kanya. Walang sizes to. Lalo ko lang yung sanggit. Oh. Oof. Ito yung headlamp. Tendong. Tapos, isang ipon. So kasi ipon. Ganda naman ipon. Nag-check ko na ba kung ginagamit. Dito. Looks started fully daw before using the nasa naman yung mga dito rin alala sa ngayon. Nag-usually ko na naman sa red. Ayusin ko lang yung bubble wrap. Tapos bakit ko na talaga. Ang papanito ko yung smooth. Kasi lang ito na may bump. Tapos mararamdaman lang. Pwede na ito hindi masyado. Yes, mukhang okay dito. So, bye. Nilagay ko lang siya dyan kanina. Kasi nasa... Hello? Wait lang. Okay. Parang naman ang quality.